Jeez.
Now, your alarm's going off.
Yeah.
And the thief runs in, knows he's got 5 minutes to run in and run out again.
Mm-hmm.
This goes off at the same time. He's now lost. He can't find anything. You've stole the time from him, but he needs to steal your client's belongings.
Well, can't even see my hand.
No.
Jeez.
When that goes off, I guarantee you they run. They don't hang around.
Oh, that is amazing.
No. It's CCTV is great. You can evidence, etc. The alarm's great to let you know something's broken in. But by the time the alarm's gone off, unless you can respond straight away.
Yeah.
They've got 5 minutes to get in, get out, and get gone again. This steals that for 5 minutes from them.
That's absolutely crazy.
And that's why the post office use it everywhere. It's why the supermarket